I may play Tesla on the open, but I'm looking at Meta mostly around the 107 area to 108. Market is pushing right now because the CPI came out. Think I'll get in on Amazon AMDA. Alright, short selling Amazon. Oh, now it goes back up. I'm gonna take my profit at 40. Boom. If Amazon touches this blue dotted line right here, I'm gonna make $140. It's about to touch it. Boom, come on. Come on, Amazon, get down there. No, why is it going back up? I'm out. I got out of there quickly because it's recovering. Didn't make anything from that. Green market here, but then Tesla is pulling back. I'm in these. I'm in on Tesla. Should be able to see one under 180. So 180 right here. If it goes back up again, I may just cash out. Here we go. Under 180, can we do it? Yeah, NQ is going up. I'm out. I don't like how NQ is going up, but Tesla's dropping down. Meta may come up here to 107. And Nvidia, I'm waiting on Nvidia to go to 150, but it's a long way there. Amazon, about to reach high of day. I might take this. Lots of strength in here. I need it to go above 93.47 with momentum. Otherwise I'm not taking a trade. I do like how NQ is shooting up, so that's a good confirmation. Let's have a look at Meta. Ah, alright. Pull back. We may have a little wall here. Well, a strong wall. Around 93.40. If we close above 93.3 on Amazon, we may have something here. But looking at NQ, this looks really good. I'm in. I like how NQ is pushing. There we go, breakout on Amazon. Oh, red candle right there. Can it keep pushing? Yes, it can. That's what I'm looking for. Go on Amazon. Yes, go for it. Fantastic. Yes. Oh my days. Keep going, Amazon. I'm out. You could see a bit of resistance on NQ here. Oh, it broke out. Wow, it's still going. Well, I'm satisfied with 149 US dollars. What a fantastic play. Fantastic breakout on Amazon. Nvidia never shot up to 150. Meta never got back to 107. It was Amazon. Wow, it made a breakout on that. Tesla doesn't have anything clear here. It was Amazon. But now we're seeing a pullback here on NQ because of this resistance line around here, this area. So I would take my profit right now actually if I was still on Amazon.
This life will never be the same.